In this video, I'll show you how to adjust the volume two different ways on your PowerBeats Pro. So the first way is using the button that is located on both of them. That is right over here. You see, it looks like there's one button, but actually there's two. One is for volume up. So if you click on the right side here, volume will go up. If you click on the left side, it will go down. And as I said, it's on the left side and on the right side as well. So this is one way. Now the second way on how to adjust the volume is using Siri. You need to enable Siri on your iPhone, obviously. And then you just need to ask, hey Siri, lower the volume. Or hey Siri, make it louder. So by giving these commands, you won't even need to touch your PowerBeats Pro. The volume will be adjusted. And obviously, if you're connected to a phone, a computer, anything, you can also adjust the volume using the volume buttons on your device directly. So these were the different ways on how to adjust the volume on your PowerBeats Pro. If this was useful, please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.